Don't let the Wolfenstein Enemy Territory Library DLL end your session. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll guide you through the scan to restore your gaming performance. While preparing the manual steps for Wolfenstein Enemy Territory Library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Wolfenstein Enemy Territory Library, a primary game logic library associated with the Wolfenstein Enemy Territory engine. It manages the client-side networking hooks and localized physics variables for the Quake 3 arena-based architecture. Module Wolfet.dll not found is a frequent error for players attempting to run modded versions or high-resolution patches on modern Windows builds, as the engine fails to register the 32-bit legacy module. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Wolfet is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Wolfenstein Enemy Territory Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system countermanifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Please use caution. Replacing Wolfenstein Enemy Territory Library DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to Wolfenstein Enemy Territory Library. Thank you for trusting us with Wolfenstein Enemy Territory Library Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.